fairly common problem I encounter with older furniture, and it's that the drawers tip like this. And the reason being is, in this case, the drawer guide came off and the bottom drawer doesn't have one at all. So as you'll see, there is a glide there and there's a glide here. But the fact that this is off, and this is normally attached to the back of the drawer, that prevents it from coming up off of this track here. So I'm simply going to replace that one and do the bottom drawer. I ordered some new glides off of Amazon, and I'll show you how I'm going to do that. So here was the existing guide, and as I mentioned, I was able to find a replacement on Amazon. Now the hole pattern is slightly different, but that doesn't matter. What matters is that these dimensions are identical, and you can see that they are. So put this on there, and then I just like to mark this first. I'm going to create a little pilot hole and then attach these 3 screws that came with the guides. Okay, so I'll tighten those all the way and make sure that it fits the drawer, and then I will do the next one. You know, it would be easy to say that worked perfectly the first time, but it didn't. I didn't tighten the screw all the way, frankly, because my pilot hole wasn't deep enough, and so I couldn't get it any further, and I thought, well, it's not going to interfere with the back of the drawer. So I put it in, and these two are mostly tightened, but I put it in, and although this fit over the slide, because it moved like this, it would get caught on the slide. So I simply have to come back and tighten these. I gotta make these a little tighter and pull that out and deepen the pilot hole a little bit, and then make sure that is really tight and flush so that this doesn't move at all, and we'll give it another try. So I tightened the screws on the back of the drawer one more time, tried to put it on, and it still wouldn't work, and I couldn't figure out why. Then I took a look. It's just this little staple here that's in the way, and it's preventing it from sliding all the way back. So I'm either going to pound that in or take it out entirely, and we'll try a third time. Houston, we have liftoff. A third time was a charm, and as you can see now, it's nice and steady and it's not tilting out of the opening. So once I removed that staple, it took care of everything. And the point of all of this is just to show you, there's some trial and error that goes along with flipping furniture. And if you don't get it the first time, just do a little sleuthing and you'll probably come up with a solution.